Hi, Preston Sandlin here, and I wanted to show you guys a way that you can kind of do like a Matterport on the cheap. I love those Matterport tours, and I know now with COVID-19 and the restrictions involved with some of the showings, virtual tours are becoming big, and I love Matterport, and there's a couple of things like it. The only bad thing is the Matterport's kind of expensive, and you got to pay a subscription and some of the other things. Here's something that I think once you buy the camera, and they're pretty cheap. I've had this is a 360 camera. So what it does is it shoots 180 on this side, 180 on this side, and it stitches them together. So if you take a picture with this, it can zoom around the room and you can see the entire room. So my idea with this is, I've had this for a while. I bought it when it first came out for like $199. You can get these on eBay now for 99 bucks. All you need is a 360 camera. There's a couple of them out there, Ricoh Theta, just look up 360 camera. But this one is the Samsung Gear. I like it, you can get it for $99. But let me show you how it would work. What you want to do is put it on a tripod or monopod. This is a monopod. I can hold it up and take a picture, but it's going to catch part of my arm, and when it tries to stitch it together, it's going to look a little awkward. So let's say you had a living room and a dining room like this. You want to turn every light on like you normally would. You're going to come and set the camera in the middle of where you want it to go. But now you can remote handle the camera. Also, I want to make sure that it's even. I have a little thing on here. You can handle the camera remotely. So I want to actually get out of the picture so that I'm not in it. So what I'm going to do, I have control of the camera. I'm going to take the picture with this, but I'm going to step outside so that I'm not actually in the camera. So I do this with each room. So there I'm taking the picture, and it's actually taking the picture. So, and you can see, if you look at the picture, you can see all the way around the room 360, which is what we'll do here shortly. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go room to room on a listing. I actually went out to a new home community. It's one of those 55 active communities, and I did this. So I'm going to take each picture where I went room to room, and I'm going to make a video of how it's like you're virtually there. Now you need something that will recognize a 360 picture. Facebook will recognize it, YouTube will recognize it on a video, and there's other hosting. But I like Facebook. You can make just make a post like you normally do, put all your 360 pictures in there, and then you can make a video with Screencast-O-Matic showing each one, and you can show that listing. So it's kind of a way to do a Matterport-ish presentation of your listing for free. I still love Matterport and all those other ones, but there is a cost involved. Well, we're going to go now to where I posted on Facebook. All right, so what I did was I loaded up all those 3D pictures that I did at that retirement 55 and older community. It's EBCON Communities. This one's out by Cuthbertson High School, and they got a really nice community out there. So I just took a normal picture of the outside of the house. This is one of their and this is their model. So I went inside and I did the pictures like we were talking about. So this is inside the front foyer. So you're sitting in the foyer, and what I wanted to do was, let's see, I think I can just do it. So this is a 360 picture. This is you're inside, and you just turn around, you come through the front door. So this is what it looks like. There's a bathroom and another bedroom over there. And then you're looking into the living room and the kitchen. So move forward a little bit inside this living room, and sure, I probably could do a little better with the lighting, but this is the kitchen. Really nice. Really like this. I like those doors going into a little office there as well. But again, this was done with a 360 camera, so it's kind of like you're virtually there. We just walked forward about 12 feet from where we were before. We were right back there before. And the bathroom and bedroom off there. I think I forgot to take a picture of that bedroom. Sorry. But you can see it's kind of nice. Not quite as good as a Matterport, but not bad, not bad. All right, so the good thing about Facebook, we go to the next picture, I got a little closer over here, is the really good thing about this is, there's no monthly thing, and Facebook's great because it recognizes a 360 picture and will allow you to spin it around. So you could post the pictures and then you could make a video like this with Screencast-O-Matic. I love this kitchen, really nice. All stainless steel appliances. I told the ladies what I was doing there. They were pretty cool. They have a Matterport on this thing, which is really nice. But if you didn't do the Matterport, again, I love it. It's just a monthly thing. If you wanted to do something kind of close, but not the monthly fee. So this is inside that little office there, where the barn door thing was. This looks out onto a little patio, and that's the coming in. That's back to the living room, and hardwood floors, pretty nice. Nice little office there. I like it. Looking out on the patio. Let's go to the next one. So this is out on the patio, and that was the little office right back there. These were the doors and the surround sound. Obviously the model has nice furniture and everything, but it's nice. It's put together nice. They have this grass, which I don't think ever has to be mowed. Nice little landscaping there. Yeah, not bad at all. Not, I'm thinking at some point I'm getting tired of doing yard work and stuff. And then there's a little screened-in port here off the master, which we'll see that in just a second. So we're going to walk back inside. So this is the hallway. You walk through. There's a laundry right here, closet here, master in there, nice closet there, and then the master bathroom here. And again, I forgot to get that front or left bedroom. It's kind of hidden actually, so not too shabby. I like the layout; it's pretty open. This is inside the master bath, and again, each one of these I just put my tripod in there and took a picture. But it's kind of cool what you can do with this. And you can get a sort of a spin around. Obviously shot. Is it as good as being there in person? No. But if someone was looking at this online and they couldn't show it for whatever reason, or they live out of town, well, it's not too bad. It's kind of, we hadn't done it, but you can actually go up and down too. Forgot to do that. You can look down, see what the floors are like. You can look up, see what the ceiling looks like. It's not just a, spin around. All right, let's go. This is inside the closet, the master closet. Again, we can look up, look down, and we can spin around. I like the way that they have it all put together. It's all nice and neat. You can certainly see yourself living there. It was pleasant house. So, nice in the closet there. Let's get out of the closet. So this is the master. The screen porch going out is right there. Got a tray ceiling, as you see up there. There's ceiling fan. And I learned too, if you're doing pictures, turn all the lights on. If there's any ceiling fans, turn those off. What kind of floors we got here? Carpet there. That goes back out. That's the room we came in there, and the closet was right there. And not a bad setup at all. I think the next picture we're going to go out onto the porch. Yeah, so this is the screened-in porch, which is kind of nice. If you ever bugs or whatever are a problem, of course you could spray here, but it's nice to have both. You got the outdoor, or if it's raining a little bit or something, you could move it inside here because it's covered. And that's right off the master. Nice. This community also has a pool. I think they have a lot of activities. It's geared toward that 55 and older active community. Nice little chairs and everything. So this is inside the laundry. I I know some photographers say don't ever take a picture of the laundry, but I did. It's nice cabinet. You got a sink like that. We have a French bulldog, so of course I'm gonna like that picture. Um, Tile floors. Oh, that's my tripod or monopod. Um, just looking up and around. So yeah, not too bad. And this is in your garage, double garage, low maintenance, showing Epcon, water heaters in there. That would be your main, this is the home inspector and me coming out, that would be your main water cutoff right there by the water heater. But it is a double garage. I think almost all the models have a double garage. And then there's an upstairs. So when you first go in and you go through that hallway in the kitchen, if you went to the right, like you're going to the garage, there's also stairs. So this is just the landing of the stairs. Nothing much to see here. Just turn around on that. So we'll go to the next picture. So this is upstairs. Nice little living room there, kind of over the garage area, over the front entrance. Nice double window, actually triple window. See what the ceiling looks like. You got recessed lighting. Wall comes in, and there's actually another bedroom in there. So you got a bedroom upstairs, a bedroom on the front left that I forgot to take a picture of. A bedroom upstairs and master. You have like two different living areas, which is kind of nice. You got the living area down there and the bonus area up here. And you got two different places you can sit outside. One that's kind of open and one that's screened in, which is really nice, very modern. This is the bathroom upstairs. So we'll spin that around. That's on my tripod there. I know you say don't try to get yourself in the picture, but try not to get the tripod in there. But, not a professional photographer. I didn't stay at a Holiday Inn Express, but primarily a home inspector. And this is going into that bedroom up there. Just a hallway, just to give you another view of, get an idea. And the bathroom entrance is right like there's a little coffee area up there, and pretty sure the next one's going to be inside this bedroom. Yeah, so this is inside this bedroom. Thought I saw a ceiling fan, but maybe not. You can straighten this out a little bit, spin it around, and that is the outside there. So pretty nice. There's your closet. I was looking for a closet, like you gotta have a closet. And that's the house. Pretty nice. But I just wanted to show you how with this 360 camera, you can actually do it with your phone with an app, and you could post all the pictures on Facebook, and then you could do a screencast-o-matic, which is what I'm doing right here, where it records everything on your screen and just go through all the pictures. And you can make a little video, kind of like a virtual tour of your house. So the only two things you'll need is Screencast-O-Matic and either an app on your phone that'll do a 360, but I'd recommend just getting a 360 camera like the Samsung Gear I got. You can pick them up on Amazon for $100. But hope that was good. I hope that was helpful, and maybe got some good information on that. And this is Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina. Yeah, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or anything, just go to homeinspectioncarolina.com and you can message me through there. Thank you for watching.